Hello friends, I would like to introduce to you our Twin NFO offering which have already been launched, which is the Aditya Birla Sun Life Nifty Midcap 150 Index and Aditya Birla Sun Life Nifty Small Cap 50 Index. These two fund offerings in the passive category, which is the index fund category, a great opportunity at this point in time when we are seeing inflection point in our economy, which is beginning of a new economic cycle. And in this period, we expect the mid cap and small cap space to do significantly better. So if you look at the mid cap and the small cap segment, we have all known that this particular cat segment over a long term has given good returns, but there are periods of cyclicality which one sees in the mid and small cap space, and that's why investing in this segment at times can become a bit tricky. Having said that, I think we think that Indian economy is now placed at a critical juncture. We are at a cusp of a new economic cycle which is likely to unfold, especially after the COVID, while it has been a crisis, but it has also been a sort of opportunity. And I think India has, for the first time, seized that opportunity. And after a series of disappointments, what we saw in the last 2-3 years, I think we are beginning to see a new economic cycle unfold, where our economic growth, we think, will be much higher than what we have seen even during the pre-COVID period. And in this phase of an economic recovery, what we are seeing, it is always a time where the mid cap and the small cap segment tends to do well, because this is a category where a lot of the companies in this segment are to a large extent dependent on how the domestic economy does. Also, as you would have seen that in the budget and over the last few years, there are the government's focus on trying to usher in the reforms, and especially recently in the manufacturing sector, trying to make India Atmanirbhar and ensure that we become a global supplier to a lot of these global companies. And that has opened up a lot of opportunities for companies in various sectors, be it textiles, electronics, pharmaceuticals, the capital goods sector, and that provides an opportunity for many companies in the mid and small cap space to do well in the coming years. So with this broader change which is happening at the ground level, we think that the mid cap and small cap segment for the next 3 to 5 years can do well. And I mean, we have seen that in the past also, during periods of strong economic cycles, the mid cap and the small cap index tends to outperform the large cap. Also, since the fact that this segment, the mid caps and small caps, have underperformed since 2018 vis-a-vis the large cap, and only in the last 6 to 9 months we have seen this segment come up, I think there is enough runway for this segment to do well. And to participate in this opportunity, we think that besides the actively managed funds, which are already there, and we also have a few of them which are doing well, index fund would also be appropriate product for somebody to participate in this move. A couple of benefits of index fund vis-a-vis actively managed fund is the fact that it's much a simplified process of easy way of participating in this particular segment. Also, the low transaction, the low cost investing. But I think more importantly, I think it reduces the fund manager bias and has a natural process of stock selection wherein the performers continue to be in the index and the underperformers continue to exit, making way for new companies to come into the index. Another important trend, what we're seeing is that compared to the last 2 years in CY 18 and CY 19 and early part of CY 20, where we saw a very narrow rally in the market, we are seeing that the market is now getting much more broad based. There are many sectors which are now participating, and where the outlook of these sectors is looking much better. And we think that trend will continue as we see many sectors which are coming out of the COVID crisis and also benefiting of the reforms that will do well. And in such a kind of a broad-based market rally, we see that the mid-cap and the small-cap segment tends to do well than the larger market. Also, I think we are seeing because of India is still a emerging country, and since the spate of reforms, what we are seeing is a lot of these sunrise sectors which are coming up in areas like, for example, specialty chemicals, media, even in fintech and technology space, and also emerging sectors like retail, for example, where most of these companies are initially, they start off as small caps, then as they grow, they become mid caps, and then as they become larger, they grow into the large cap space. So really to participate in some of these sunrise sectors, typically we would advise around 15 to 20% allocation of one's portfolio to the mid cap and the small cap segment. And within that allocation, I think one should definitely look at these two fund offerings from our side.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.